Welcome to this week's edition of Hematology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in blood cancer and hematologic disorders treatments. Brought to you by LucidQuest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of hematology. In a significant development, AUTX703, a KAT2AB degrader, has been granted Fast Track designation by the FDA for the treatment of relapsed or refractory acute myelogenous leukemia, or AML. Preclinical studies have demonstrated notable survival benefits and suggest potential applications in other hematologic malignancies. This designation is expected to expedite the review process, bringing new hope to patients with limited treatment options. Meanwhile, in South Korea, Scemblix, also known as asciminib, has received expanded approval as a first-line treatment for Philadelphia chromosome-positive chronic myeloid leukemia, or CML. Clinical trials highlighted its superior molecular response rates and improved tolerability compared to standard tyrosine kinase inhibitors, setting a new standard in CML management. In Europe, Eli Lilly's Jaypirca has been recommended for approval by the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use, or CHMP, for patients with relapsed or refractory chronic lymphocytic leukemia, or CLL. This recommendation is based on the BRUIN CLL-321 trial, which demonstrated a 46% reduction in the risk of disease progression or death, marking a promising advancement for CLL patients. Japan has approved Sarclisa in combination with the VRd regimen for adults newly diagnosed with multiple myeloma. This approval follows the IMROZ Phase 3 study results, which revealed significant efficacy in delaying disease progression. Additionally, the CHMP has issued a positive opinion for linvoseltamab for the treatment of relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma. The recommendation is supported by data from the Linker MM1 trial, which showed substantial anti-tumor activity. In the United States, the FDA has accepted the Biologics License Application resubmission for odronextamab as a treatment for relapsed or refractory follicular lymphoma. The application is backed by high response rates observed in the ELM1 and ELM2 clinical trials. Roche's Columvi has also received a recommendation for approval from the CHMP for use in combination with chemotherapy to treat relapsed or refractory diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, or DLBCL. Data from the STARGLO Phase 3 study demonstrated a 41% reduction in the risk of death, underscoring the potential impact of this therapy in improving survival outcomes for DLBCL patients. In the realm of bleeding disorders, Loma Linda University Health has become the first center in California to offer Hempavzi for patients with hemophilia B administered as weekly subcutaneous injections. Hempavzi has shown effectiveness in significantly reducing bleeding frequency, providing a more convenient treatment option for patients managing this lifelong condition. Want to stay ahead of the latest hematology research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to LucidQuest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.